Repairing a broken water main is a tough job, and getting it done quickly and safely is top priority. You need tools tough enough for the job, and Stanley Hydraulic Tools offers the performance needed for extreme applications. The new HP Twin 8 power unit offers operation of 2 tools simultaneously at full capacity. That means you can cut pipe and pump water at the same time from a single power source. With other power units, you can run only one hydraulic tool at a time, needing either a gas or electric tool to perform the pumping or cutting. But now, harnessing hydraulic power for both applications is a reality. By attaching the Stanley DS12 Diamond Chainsaw and Stanley TP03 Trash Pump to the HP Twin 8, you're ready to get started. The DS12 Diamond Saw with pipe clamp attachment allows for safe and effective cutting of several pipe materials, including ductile and cast iron, HDPE, and PVC. With a single point of entry, there's no need for deep excavation when compared to a gas saw. And unlike electric or gas-powered pumps, hydraulic pumps can run dry, so you don't need to wait for the water to rise before operation. The TP03 Trash Pump can pump up to 450 gallons per minute and up to 3-inch solids, so small rocks, gravel, or sand won't slow you down. The next time you service a water main break, trust Stanley Hydraulic Tools to get the job done right.